In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create quiz in Typeform. In order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is typeform.com, and from in there, proceed to click on this Get Started option in order to create an account, or click on this Sign Up. Now, if you already have an account like I did, just proceed to click on this Login option that we can see into this part. So let me head over and log in. Here is what my workspace looks like into the Typeform. So in order to create a quiz, just proceed to click on this Create New Form. After that, this should be able to show you some options on what type of form or quiz you're willing to create. Now in here, you can actually start from scratch, import questions, or create with AI. In my case, let's proceed to create with AI right here. Now you can see these options. So since we want to create the quiz, let's head over and choose right here for all forms option, and then just enter right here the goal of your form. Let's input quiz about photosynthesis. Now click on continue and you can add right here important topic. Now just enumerate it right here. And then once you have done that, just click on this generate questions and then this will craft the questions for your quiz. So if you're ever an actual professor or a teacher, Typeform can be your tool to create your quiz for your students. So you can just input right here the topics that you wish to get and it will craft the actual questions for that. Now as you can see, this is the title page. We have in here our question. We have in here some matching types as well as this identification and also some multiple choice questions. Proceed to click on the share in order to share this particular quiz to people that you want to answer this. So that's how you create quiz in Typeform. Hope we helped.